Want to transform your creative work into a captivating online portfolio that will wow potential clients? Let's learn how to build your own stunning portfolio website quickly using Adobe Dreamweaver, the go-to tool for web design. First, open Dreamweaver and either start with a pre-designed template or choose to create a new site from scratch, whatever fits your style. We'll start by customizing a template, so select one that aligns with your brand. Consider the overall layout and how you want to display your photos. Next, navigate to the Site Setup menu to make sure your website's name and local site folder are in the folders you prefer. Okay, let's move to the design, and let's place our content. Begin by adding your own images for your first project. You can insert and edit your images to match your color scheme, branding, and layout. Then, write descriptions and context about each project to help the potential client understand your work or vision and process. Design your navigation bar with a user-friendly design so that visitors can easily navigate to your project's contact information and any other essential pages. Don't forget creating clear calls to action, like a Contact Me button, to encourage clients to reach out. Once everything looks good, preview your portfolio on different devices: desktop, tablet, mobile, to ensure a seamless and professional experience. You want to see how it looks on mobile, so it's always a great idea to adjust things accordingly after ensuring your website looks top-notch. It's time to publish it online, and you're all set. Congratulations, you've made your own portfolio website, and it is time to shine.